Storytelling has long been a powerful tool in children's education, and integrating nature themes takes it to the next level. Exposure to stories set in nature enhances imagination and creativity. Such narratives also improve emotional resilience and lower stress levels. Educators are now incorporating these storytelling techniques to promote better cognitive development. Popular culture frequently draws inspiration from nature-themed stories, enhancing engagement. Through this combination of nature and storytelling, children receive a well-rounded, enriching educational experience.